Wow, look at the sand. It's so big and empty. It's perfect.
Let's build a super big sandcastle.
Get the water! We need wet sand so it can stick together. I'm finding jewels for our castle. Look at this shell.
We build the bottom first. If the bottom is strong, our castle can be super tall. You pour, and I'll pat it down hard.
We need a plan before we make the walls. The shells help us plan. Big shells for towers, flat shells for the walls.
Level 1 is finished. It looks perfect.
Shrey, level 1 is good, but a castle needs to be taller. Let's make the next level.
Look at the ramp and the small river. Thank you for being with us today. We had so much fun building our super big castle. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
We will meet you again in our next video. Bye-bye! And hit the bell icon so you can get all our new adventures and learning games. See you soon!